Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies starting from 22nd till 28th of November. In this video we'll be looking at your overall energies, what's going on in your life, what's coming up in your future, and how are you feeling, how are you thinking, what's the actions you are taking, your person's energies towards you, everything. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, okay? Let's see, for my Aquarius, if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Okay, so let's see what's there for my Aquarius. 22nd till 28th of November 2021, Aquarius energies, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign, please. The overall energy is the Ace of Swords for you, Aquarius. So there is a need where what you are actually going through is a process of clarification, where you are either clarifying some situations in your life, you are working on yourself or by someone. You might be doing some meditation, I feel, because you need to clear your head. You are clearing your mind. You are in that state of life, and some situations in your life were not clear to you, so you are finding answers to your clarifications. Okay, so what you need to understand is the Fool energy. You need to understand that being available for everyone all the time will not help you. I don't know why I'm getting this feeling. I just said this statement because I felt it, because somebody might be needing to hear it. Okay, so with the situation like that is yeah, it's pretty much like that. The energies are, you are going towards something new, okay, but you need to understand the taking of risks in that situation. This situation might be looking really good to you. It might be looking, wow, it's good, it's something which will give you something like, you know, a very good opportunity or something like that, but it's definitely is not right like that. The problem with the situation is the Six of Cups. The problem could be something related to the past, somebody, some kind of your ex, okay, whatever. The reason you are not able to go towards something new is might be because of the memories, sad memories of somebody who has left you in the past. There was a separation, yeah, and you are still not recovered from that yet. What's there in your heart? Your heart is telling us the Six of Wands. Your heart is telling you to go on, to find someone new. You are good for everything. You are the one. You are beautiful. You are capable of things. You are capable of good things in life. Your heart is trying to tell you. Your heart is giving you positivity. In the past, we have the Five of Pentacles. So this is the separation I told you about, that there was separation and you are not able to come out of that separation yet fully. In the head we have the King of Pentacles. Yeah, you are thinking about something stable, okay? You want a stable person in life. You do not want just like anyone coming in your life, anyone going away. You want one person, and you want a stable person. In the coming future, it's the Nine of Swords. Since you are not able to get over to the past situation, although you are finding some clarifications in life at present, you are finding the answers, but there will always be a situation where, you know, you are feeling a little paranoid, you are feeling a little anxious because of whatever happened in the past. So yeah. So how are you acting is the Eight of Swords. With the Eight of Swords, I feel that, okay, so your actions, your heart and your inner energies and your actions are really not synchronizing. You want something else from inside, but you are not able to act for it. You are not able to fight for it. You are not able to take decisions for yourself. You are in that state, Okay, the person or the people around you, how are they? The Three of Pentacles. So somebody is trying to set you up. I feel that there is a strong family energies coming up, that you are not yet recovered from your past energies, and you are moving towards something new, which means some marriage. You are getting involved into another relationship, although you haven't yet recovered from the past relationship. There hasn't been healing yet, and you have just moved away from that. A universal message for you is the Knight of Wands. Universe is trying to tell you that you have to understand and you have to take some decisions. Decisions, it's just about not about a decision, it's about the actions also, because I am really not seeing some actions being taken by you in your energies, in your reading. I don't see that coming up. What is the final outcome of your energies is a Four of Wands. Yes, if there is a marriage involved, so there is something related to marriage, celebrations of in life, but it will only happen if you will be able to let go of the past energies. Okay, let's clarify now. Let's see what's more in the reading. Tell me about the Ace of Swords for my Aquarius. Ace of Swords energy is the overall energy. What's need to be? Okay, so we have the Nine of Wands. We have the Queen of Pentacles in your reading. Yeah, you are definitely entering into something new, which looks stable. Okay, it looks stable, it looks good, it looks worthy, it looks something big, something permanent. But your heart is trying to block you from that energies. Either this is a person entering in your life. Okay, so although it can be, for some people it could be a marriage, for some people it is just a new relationship. Somebody is trying to come towards you, someone who is actually very stable. Okay, who is actually coming towards you with a stable offer to give you, but you are still blocking this person, or blocking this energy of which is whatever is coming towards you, because of the past energies. Why the Fool energy is here in the what needs to be understood by my Aquarius. Yeah, Seven of Swords. So you need to understand that if one person cheated on you, or if one person betrayed you, it's not you cannot think of everyone around it. Okay, that everyone is a cheat, everyone can do this, everyone is saying lie. You have lost a lot of hopes, I feel, in this bad relationship which was there in the past. Six of Cups energy. The Fool again. See, strength. So I feel that you have lost all your strength, all your love energies, all confidence, all the confidence which you had for the previous relationship. You have lost everything, and you are really not able to take risks, and whatever you are taking decisions for, whatever. Six of Cups at the back also. So it's because of the past energies. Whatever you are doing, whatever decisions you are taking, all are going wrong, because you have so much of fear inside you. See, this fear is there in that action taking also. Six of Wands in the heart energies for my Aquarius. Chariot. Might be dealing with a Cancer, but you want to move on. Your heart is telling you to go on and find this person. This person is the stable one. This person is for you. This person is the one for you, and you can go towards this person. Your heart is telling you, listen to your heart, Aquarius. Five of Pentacles in the past energies. Yeah, so you could be married with the past person. Okay, there could be a marriage involved. It was a very beautiful, very loving relationship, and that is why you are not able to move on from that relationship yet. King of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. This person you are dealing with is very generous, very kind to you. Loyalty is there, stability is there, finances are good, everything is good, but it's just your mind which is playing right now. What's coming up in the future with the Nine of Swords? Page of Cups, the Star. I feel that you have a hope of the last person, your ex, coming back towards you. You are still thinking of that person to come back to you and to talk to you, because your hopes are really high for that person. But all you will get, because of that person, you will get anxiety, depression, nothing else than that, what I feel. Eight of Swords in your energies, the action taking energies, the Emperor. See, you want to take some actions, you want to take control of your life, but you are not able to, because your actions, because of your scary nature. You are afraid of whatever has happened in the past might not again happen with you, so you are really scared about the situation in life. Three of Pentacles in other people's energies towards you. Justice. Okay, so you could have gone through a mutual divorce. Okay, so this was a separation of marriage. You could have gone through a mutual divorce or just a divorce, but the things are, the society is telling you to get married, to do things according to them. So a lot of societal things are coming up. It's like you want to be alone for some time, but you are not able to be alone. People are trying to control you. People are trying to make you take decisions. And in regards with this person's also energies, I just checked this person's energies towards you, with whom you are dealing with. This person wants to be with you, with the Three of Pentacles over here. They want a marriage with you. They want a partnership. They want something, some kind of a stable decision making with you. Knight of Wands, the message from the universe. Three of Wands, Queen of Wands. Universe is telling you that with this person coming in your life, you will achieve a lot of growth in life. You will be the boss person, the way you have always wanted to live your life. You will be achieving good growth and achieving good reputation. Whatever you have gone through, you will do something of your own. Something is coming up really beautiful for you, Aquarius. Final outcome with the Four of Wands, Judgment and the Empress. So yes, I feel that this is the person you are dealing with, and this person is really ready to give you all the care and nourishment and everything whatever you have needed. It's the time for you where you also need to be happy, and this person is bringing that happiness, although you are not sure about whether this person is right or not. But yeah, you cannot be afraid for too long. You cannot be scared, like, I cannot take any actions. No, you cannot wait for the past person. You have to move on, and you have to see, you have to give other people also chances. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Aquarius. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.